fabulous four-fingered freak here. I don't feel too good, guys. All this crap, the coronavirus and all that shit. The freak has lost his job, lost his family, lost his spirit. I lost everything, guys. On top of that, I've been calling PepsiCo. They don't even answer the goddamn phone anymore. And all I want is a goddamn Pepsi Blue. Because I feel so goddamn bluesy, you know. I don't know what to do anymore, guys. I really, really wish that I had a Pepsi Blue right now. What the fuck? What the hell's going on here? What the? I can't move my goddamn finger. What the? I don't get it. Whoa, wait a minute. That's Pepsi Blue. That feels great. But, oh, wait a minute. What the hell just happened? I wished for Pepsi Blue, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, it appeared. Now I can't move my goddamn finger. Look at this. Just one budge. What the hell's going on here? Wait a minute. The monkey's paw. Remember that? It's like a monkey's paw that grants wishes or something. That goddamn monkey's paw had only like 4 fingers or something like that. No way, man. That's impossible. Wishes don't exist. Unless I have like my own, monkey's paw. I'll test it out. I wish for my favorite beer. Wow. Whoa. Dude, this Death Valley beer, man, is awesome, just like me. Cheers. Whoa, wait a minute. Death Valley, my favorite beer, as black as my soul, and as blue as Pepsi Blue. Oh, wait a minute. I got one more wish left. If I waste it, I won't have any wishes anymore, right? What do I do, guys? What to do? I know. I'm gonna wish for my hand to return to what it was. That way I'm gonna have 5 fingers like everybody else. Nah, that's bad. That's a bad wish. What am I gonna wish, guys? If I wish that my fingers would be able to move, it means I would have like unlimited wishes. Alright, stupid hand. I wish that my fingers could move. Wait. was the smartest guy on the planet, that's right. I got my hand back. I got unlimited wishes back. Now, I wish this goddamn stupid coronavirus would just fucking disappear. It worked. So, no more virus, thanks to me.
This digital recording has been brought to you courtesy of the Fabulous One, the world's greatest four-fingered freak. For further information, please feel free to write. The freak always answers his fans. Suggestions for future videos are appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and click on the like button for all of them, because I am the Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak, and you are awesome!